In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I'm promoting multiple affiliate offers. Check this out. I'm sending traffic to this opt-in page, and with this page I can collect an email. And in the second page, I'm telling people that please check their email because I'm going to send an ebook through email. And inside of this ebook, I have multiple affiliate links. Let me show you. This is the ebook, and when people start reading the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate, they will read all this information. And for example, in the second step, picking the perfect product, here they find an affiliate link. And when people click that link, and if they buy, I can make a commission. If I scroll down, I have here more links. And this is a great way to promote multiple affiliate offers. But if you want to take this to the next level, let me show you this strategy. Once I have this email, I can send to them a free course. And inside of the lessons, people are going to find videos. And below the videos, they will see my affiliate links. For example, this is a lesson inside of the free course. Here are the best affiliate programs and software to promote. And if I scroll down, I have here all these buttons. For example, when people click here, try ClickFunnels, they are going to go to my affiliate link for this software. And the same for GetResponse, System.io, Carta, TubeBuddy, InVideo, Jasper, CMrush, and the 72-hour freedom challenge. This is a great way to promote multiple products by giving value to people. This free course has 10 lessons. And below the videos, I have put there my affiliate links. And if someone buys through any link, I can make a commission. Now, if you want to do this like a pro, check this out. I have this email sequence in which I have valuable information. And in some of the emails, I have put my affiliate links. And once I have all this system in which I have multiple profit zones, I can focus on only this part of the equation. And I have two options. I can pay for ads or use free traffic organic strategies. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.